How to check Facebook primary location. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check Facebook primary location. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on settings and privacy option. Now tap on settings. You will be led to the settings page of Facebook. So scroll down and under your information, you will see the option for access your information. Tap on that. Here, tap on the search bar and search for primary location and tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view your primary location. So, this is how you can check Facebook primary location. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.